Hello and welcome to this Muffin YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make edge lighting in this program. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm just deleting my cube and let's get just adding object, mesh and monkey. So I'm just setting my wheel like that. Let's go to shading mode. In here, first of all, I'm changing my shading view to render preview and go to world section, color to change more black, and select your object to new. First of all, I'm gonna add wireframe, and the next one is mix shader. The last one is emission, setting up these materials. First of all, I'm just selecting wireframe and principal BSDF to set my shader and emission to another shader. The next part is mixed shader goes to surface. And like that, I'm just setting up my color to any color. So like that. And strength value, I'm setting 20. We'll not see that now, but we need to set up our render engine setup. Go to render properties and make a bloom. In this section, to goes intensity a little bit higher, or the radius maybe. But we need to change our wireframe size. Go to wireframe and lower this size. For example, 0.001 is the best of the value of this wireframe. The emission value is, if you want to change just emission value, or 50 strength or 80 is good. But we change the color as well, like this. This is amazing material, but we have one more shade to need. Actually, let's get just lifting up this to principled BSDF to delete. Let's get just one more material. For example, let's get layer weight, and another is color ramp. This first one goes to color ramp and also emission, like that. The color ramp's color goes to color, the emission to shader, and like that. But for now, I'm just setting up my color ramp selection. You see that? It is amazing though. And this color ramp option to be spline, and we see that our second colors is here. Okay, so far so good. So which one is best, which one is good, and like that. So the material is ready.